What's going on? Welcome back to the channel, to the video, to the vlog. Man, let's go see what we can get done today. Man, I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna try to do. I'm just gonna go get it done. Tell you what I'm looking for though. What I'm looking for is a few things to do with the car, and see where I can get it the cheapest. And you know, it's time to really just get my channel and everything out. I've been procrastinating on getting things done. You might not care, but just saying, I've been procrastinating. But it's time, you know, so everyone will quit asking questions on certain things. They can just look and view, and it'll be in plain sight. So it is burning up. Warm out here, but I do have other videos coming on other things. Got my one for the flashlight shootout coming out soon. I got my one for the car show that didn't happen coming out soon. I got let's see what else I got more videos about this car coming out soon. I got man, I got a list, but I'm not going to get too far into this list because, you know, I don't want to get too much of everything. That way you don't be, you know, not surprised, but I don't want you knowing until the video drop, should I say. But I have a lot more content coming. I have some very interesting things coming as well. Hopefully you guys subscribe and, you know, hit that notification bell to be notified on like all that good stuff. But I'm not, you know, doing my end of the feed lines right now. But I am headed to one place and going to see if this is going to work. I do need to go take this car to the car wash. It needs a bath. She needs a bath. She's pretty dirty. That's not what the video is about. Once I get to this place, I will resume with the video. Alright, I'm back. So I just need you guys to tell me and give me the idea of what you think I'm doing at this place right here. 1 second, I'll put the camera out and show you. I don't know if you saw that. If not, then oh well. It's the place that I'm at right now. Hopefully the GoPro pick it up. But on to my next destination and dealing with this crazy driving before I have to go to this crazy place, you know, in Florida. So glad it's almost over with. You might not care, but man, I'm so excited. I get to do more with the channel now that I don't have this as a burden hanging over my head. You know, I know y'all guys don't want to hear my life story, but at the same time, you know, everyone dreads going to some job, you know, at some point in time, not unless you're an entrepreneur. So, you know, it is what it is. But I'm headed to another location right now to check out some more stuff and get an idea on what I'm looking at and what it's going to cost to get certain things done. And hopefully we can get this stuff out for you guys in time for, I'm not going to say Christmas, guys. I'm going to just say get it out in time for whatever needs to be done so we can get out in time. All right. We'll resume here shortly. Alright guys, we're in a different place now. I don't know if you can see that behind me. That right there. So you can see that. We're in a different place now. I'm just going to go take care of some business. Probably go to another place and see what they're talking about. I gave the lady my information and we're going to go from there. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty out to my favor, and we go from there. And yeah, so we're gonna resume here in a little bit, and yeah. Alright, I'm resuming with the video again. I went and was looking for some things, and I just didn't want to leave the video blank. I promised you guys some things, and I want to go ahead and get that stuff out the way. And with that being said, I am going to go ahead and let you guys really hear the vehicle and let you guys tell me what you really think it sounds like. Like I said, I'll show you underneath what I did. Give me 1 second. You can see up under there, that's what I did. Nothing big, nothing major. Just, you know, that's what it is. So I'm gonna let you hear it up close. And then from afar. Tell me what y'all think. I know I need to get a cold air intake or something like that, but y'all tell me what y'all think of what it sounds like with that revs and stuff like that. I know I need to get a cold air because simple fact is you can't hear it sucking air. All you can hear is the engine revving and stuff like that, and I want it all to be even. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here and say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll go ahead and put something else somewhere else, and we'll see you guys totally on the next one.